In this video, I will demonstrate the run manual operation of the step mash and HLT controller. Run manual allows the user to manually control the mash and HLT temperatures independent of any timing functions. The system will boot to the mash program selection screen. The blue buttons will be used for navigating back and forth between menus, move a cursor for function identification, and for value adjustment. The green button will be used for menu selection, function selection, and value selection. I will use the blue buttons to navigate to the Run manual menu and select. Mash and HLT temperatures will display. Notice that both controllers are off. Use the blue buttons to move the cursor to the mash or HLT output to control. I will select the mash controller first to make a temperature adjustment. Use the blue buttons to increase or decrease the temperature set point. The temperature is adjustable between 33 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust below 33 to turn the controller off. Both controller outputs will be disabled during any adjustment. I will now adjust the mash temperature to 135 and turn the controller on. The mash controller is now enabled and the output is on. The cursor will stop blinking and the set point will no longer be adjustable with the blue buttons. The heartbeat will indicate the controller is active. To adjust the HLT controller, press the green select button to activate the cursor. The mash output will be disabled. Move the cursor to the HLT output and select. Use the blue buttons to increase or decrease the temperature set point. The temperature is adjustable between 33 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. I will adjust the HLT temperature to 170 and turn the controller on. Now both mash and HLT controllers are enabled and the outputs are on. The cursor will stop blinking and will no longer be adjustable with the blue buttons. Adjustments may be made at any time to either controller using the process I have described. To turn the controllers off, press the green select button to enable the cursor. Use the blue buttons to move the cursor to the desired output and press the green button to select to enable temperature adjustment. I will now turn the mash controller off by adjusting the set point down to off and selecting. I will now adjust the HLT to the off selection. When both controllers are selected off, the exit menu will display. Use the blue buttons to move the cursor to either exit to return to the main menu or to continue to return to the manual run program. I will select exit. This concludes the run manual demonstration.